So today we are hanging out at the park. We got a little picnic going on. We're here with our friends and let's go find out where Robin is.
Focus. Let's go.
So Robin locked herself. She went under the fence over there. I'll go try to get her before she goes down a hot slide.
Robin, she's trapped. Want the camera? You can come out the camera. There. Here. Good girl. Hop over. No.
He has her. He got it.
Well, we finally got her back.
All the gates are locked.
I don't know how we'd get her out. Well, I could just hop the fence. Well, I could try to hop the fence.
Going over there.
Yeah, I used to go to this elementary school. This is Harmony. I went for like kindergarten, grade 1 and 2, I think. And then I went to different elementary school. What school did you go to, Ariana?
I went to a bunch of schools. I went to Alliance. I went to LCCHS. I went to Billings. I went to 3 schools here in Quebec.
Ice cream with Robin.
Alright, she's very lazy.
We're at Dairy Queen. Say hi. Robin having her ice cream. I'm having my water. So I updated the intro.
Yeah?
Yeah. You guys like that? Actually, you're in it now.
I didn't even notice.
Well, I mean,
For the next one.
for
Yeah.
this vlog, I updated it.
Oh, wait, if you're wearing those, what am I wearing to Walmart?
I think tomorrow's beach day, so we're going to go to the beach tomorrow.
Beep, beep. Let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Have a drink.
So Ariana and I are getting new glasses today. So I'm gonna do like the whole like before and after. So before and after. They look good. A little bit different, more like white around the eyes. Ariana's gonna get hers too, so you'll see that.
Hold on.
So Ariana got new glasses. Well, these are her old glasses.
They just fixed them because Robin chucked them. But I'll be getting new glasses tomorrow.
Yeah. I don't know about you, but I look pretty sexy.
You do.
So Chantel and I got McDonald's.
Hell yeah.
Well, I mean, so did Ariana and Robin, but they went shopping. They got these new like glass mugs, the Coca-Cola mugs.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool.
This week's is black.
Yeah.
You guys want to check out?
Yeah, we could. So we're currently at Walmart buying stuff for like Canada Day. Oh look, Ariana got plates for the food. We're having a party on Canada Day, so we're buying stuff here. What's cool is for the first time in a long time, Ariana and I work together at the same time. So we're actually going into work together for like the first time in a long time.
This is gonna be super awkward because we're going in on shift change with 8 ice caps for everybody and a fruit platter.
Yeah. Doing stuff like that for people, like especially for coworkers, is nice because then it'll just, you know, karma, right? Goes out, comes back. So
Pay it for.
exactly.
You want me to film myself?
Yeah, you can vlog.
I'm vlogging now?
Setting Ariana.
I don't know. How do I start it? Hi! Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. None of these other people's vlogs, just my vlogs.
That's the
Hello.
barbecue set. Are we barbecuing there? At the bottom.
Robin, look at the camera. Say hi. You gonna eat old Cheerios? Okay.
Straight because mom's at the woods end.
This is so weird to film, like, just myself. Like, hey.
We like hell yeah.
Thank you. Well, this part doesn't. I brought the best drinks of all time. You can thank me later.
We actually love those. This is Aaron's favorite juice of all time.
Yeah?
Yep. Not my favorite.
Today's beach day. Beach day.
Beach day.
We're going to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Hi, Chantal.
Hey.
Hi, Chanel. Hi, Ariana. Chanel says hi. And Robin's around here somewhere.
Is the door open?
Nah, she's good. She's over there in her tutu. We're going to the beach, and you guys are coming. Okay, we're kind of about to leave. Hi.
I'm famous now.
She's, yeah.
Hey.
And the house is a mess.
Check out my
Cameo.
Did
you lock the door?
Yeah, I locked the door.
Okay.
I got stuff. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well, before beach day, go to Walmart. Walmart. I gotta get sandals. I mean, I have sandals, but I gotta get better sandals. What are we doing? Oh yeah, we're going to exchange money. We're in Plattsburgh though. Good. Will we ever get to the beach? It's hot out. We bought a beach, whatever.
umbrella.
We got a beach umbrella. So we're gonna go to the beach today. If we ever get there.
Still not at the beach.
After this, we're on the beach for sure.
What are we getting?
Gas.
What are we getting?
Gas. Almost done. We'll be there soon though.
Hopefully.
So we've arrived after a long trek.
It's like 4.5 hours.
But we made it.
It takes 1 hour to get to Plattsburgh, but it took us 4 hours. But we're here now, that's good. Yay! Yeah, we forgot the picnic basket with all the like plates, cups, knives, forks, and everything in it.
I perfectly set ready.
Yeah. But we're here now, so that's what matters. Beach. So we got in, but we gotta move. Apparently there's just like no other lifeguard on the beach. So we gotta move further down the beach. So that's where we're going. Robin likes the beach so far, so that's good. Ready to go?
I'm gonna go back to the blanket.
So where, oh there she is. There's baby. The first time with Chantal. There sweetheart. Having snacks. And we're tanning. So we're like tanning and having lunch right now, or our late lunch. Say hi, Ariana. So we have to use like the lids and everything because Ariana forgot all the plates at home.
There's no Starbucks.
How's everybody's beach day going so far?
Good. Sandy.
Sandy. Sandy. It's going pretty sandy apparently. We're actually having sandwiches. Get it? I remember used to coming here when I was a kid. It was like really different from this. They like expanded the beach a lot more. I remember they used to be like on the other side, just tanning.
Your glasses are blinding me.
My glasses?
Yeah, because like the glare is coming off and like hitting the eyes.
Are you doing your makeup?
No, I'm done. I didn't put any makeup. Oh hey.
Hi.
My rolls! It's okay, my boobs look good. Whatever.
It was nice. We like laid in the beach for a bit. Hi.
What are you doing?
I never wear sunglasses. I think I gotta buy sunglasses. I was thinking about getting some sunglasses with like my prescription in it, but
Too expensive.
yeah, seriously. Robin's like loving the beach so far. It's pretty nice. Robin is playing. Sweet babies. So they got like I can kind of live with this. A little bit, I guess. I don't know. All your freckles are coming out.
Yep.
You got sunburn. I feel like everybody's got sunburn.
Yeah.
Except me.
My face got sunburned. Meh.
I'm like super dark.
To be honest, meh.
Golden brown. Well, I think the camera's almost dead, so I'm using the iPhone. We're like packing up from the beach now, so. Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm go home.
Fun beach day.
I think we got sand in the camera. I gotta go like dig that out now.
I'm so burnt.
I just got darker.
I just got darker.
I don't get sunburned, I just get dark.
I'm gonna.
We're off to go get McDonald's now after a long day of beaching. We're hungry. 'Cause all of our sandwiches got soaked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stoked. Or soaked. So I'm using the old Canon Rebel camera to film this because you guys died. Look what Ariana got me for Father's Day. Looks pretty cool, right? It's like a new lens for the camera. Well, that's what I thought. But it's actually like a mug. It's actually a mug. It's pretty cool. It actually has like the details for everything on it. But like it's not Canon. It's Canim or whatever. Like the fake made up brand, but that's pretty cool. I found. There's like a crazy lightning storm happening right now. I'll try to film some of it for you, but I'm gonna like go and edit today's vlog, so you guys will see that.